Hindi nila nakikita yung nakikita nyo. Kung ang pinag-uusapan nyo na ay madaling kumita ng 1,000,000, yung magulang nyo una, sabihin nila, ilang taon yan. Pero para sa pananaw nila, mukha kang baliw. Hindi nila nakikita yung nakikita nyo. Kung ang pinag-uusapan nyo na ay madaling kumita ng 1,000,000, yung magulang nyo una, sabihin nila, ilang taon yan. Akong nagtrabaho, tapos sasabihin mo lang sa akin, ikaw kabata-bata mo, napakadaling kumita. You get what I mean? Not that they're bad people, but because they're not seeing what you're seeing. So, ang point kung bakit kailangan nyo tatagan yung loob nyo, hindi lamang dahil sa failure. But because, again, the people around you, that they're bad people. Pero para sa pananaw nila, mukha kang baliw. Kasi kung ako yan, for example, I worked for 30 years, hindi naman ako umabot ng 1,000,000, and then you're gonna tell me that you can earn your first million by before 30. Para sa akin, mukha kang crazy. Are you guys with me? Pero ang tanong, kaya nyo bang panghawakan yun? Because that's literally going against the odds. Are you guys with me? Now, will it be easy? Yes, if you're exposed all the time.